Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are going to lift the veil on one of the world's most unique botanical wonders, an orchid that when you look closely will make you gasp in awe because it bears the image of a face. The face of a monkey! Yes, this is the Dracula Simia, also known as the monkey orchid or the dragon orchid. Although this singular beauty has likely existed for millennia, Dracula Simia is a relatively young discovery in the botanical world. The species was first formally described in 1978 by the Colombian botanist L. Lua. The genus name Dracula means little dragon in Latin, perhaps alluding to the two long spurs that look like fangs or whiskers. The species name Simia means monkey or ape, clearly referencing the distinctive shape of the flower. Before its formal description, it was known among collectors as Dracula Simia due to an initial classification mix-up. The official discovery and naming propelled it from the remote jungle into the global biological spotlight, captivating many admirers. The monkey orchid is an endemic species, meaning it is only found in one specific region in the world. It primarily grows in the cloud forests and mountain slopes of southeastern Ecuador and Peru. This orchid thrives at extremely high elevations, typically ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 meters above sea level. These forests have exceptionally high humidity, cool temperatures, and are often shrouded in fog. They are epiphytic orchids, meaning they grow attached to the trunks of other trees for support, but do not parasitize the host for nutrients. The labellum forms what looks like the nose and mouth of a monkey, while the two structures of the column create the dark, prominent eyes. The flower's primary color is typically creamy yellow or purplish brown, adorned with fine reddish purple dots or spots that resemble velvety fur. The monkey face of the orchid is not actually meant to attract monkeys, but rather a sophisticated act of deception designed to attract flies. The attracted insects are drosophilid flies, fruit flies belonging to genera like Zygothrica and Drosophila. These flies typically use mushrooms as feeding, mating, and brood sites. The flies land on the flower, mistaking it for a fungus. They may feed on yeast growing on the flower or search for mates. Female flies may even attempt to lay eggs on the orchid. As the fly crawls around the flower's column, it inadvertently contacts the orchid's pollen mass. The pollinium adheres firmly to the fly's body. When the fly travels to another Dracula Simia bloom, it delivers the sticky pollinium to the stigma of the new flower, completing the pollination process. Though tricked into laying eggs, the fly larvae usually cannot survive on the orchid flower, as there is no true food source. However, this strategy is highly successful for the orchid's reproduction. The survival strategy of Dracula Simia hinges entirely on its adaptation to the harsh, unique conditions of the Andean cloud forests. Growing at high altitudes, 1,000 meters to 2,000 meters, with cool temperatures, extremely high humidity, and low light, they are highly specialized species. Attaching to tall tree trunks allows them better light access and protects their roots from waterlogging, a common threat in perpetually wet cloud forests. The mushroom mimicry strategy ensures they secure a pollinator even in cold and damp environments. Where many other flowers struggle to attract insects, the ability to bloom during various times of the year increases the chances of encountering the specific pollinating fly and dispersing seeds. The value of Dracula Simia is primarily scientific and aesthetic, rather than practical utility like medicinal uses. This is the primary use. Its unique monkey face shape makes it a highly sought-after specimen by collectors and a centerpiece in orchid greenhouses worldwide. It is a prime example of evolution and deceptive strategies in plant ecology. Studying how this orchid mimics fungi has provided vital insights into plant-insect relationships. Dracula Simia is more than just a flower. It is a masterpiece of Mother Nature, reminding us of the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Protecting the cloud forests of Ecuador and Peru is essential to safeguard these monkey faces hidden in the mist. Thank you for tuning in.